This is a 2022 C8.R Special Edition Convertible. Hello everybody, once again, I am Robert and this is Corvette World Dallas, and I've got another beautiful C8 convertible to show you today. You can see I am dropping the top with the remote. This is a 2022 C8.R Special Edition Convertible. The C8.R Special Edition, like its predecessors in previous generations, is commemorating the Corvette Racing team, and they made exactly 1,000 of these, both in Hypersonic Gray and the Corvette Racing Yellow. The Accelerate Yellow, sorry. The C7R was in the Corvette Racing Yellow, the C8R was in the Accelerate Yellow. So the way they went, they kind of contrasted. So the Hypersonic Grays, they got the Accelerate Yellow stripes, whereas the Accelerate Yellow cars got the Hypersonic Gray stripes. So again, of course, these are modeled after the colors that were actually used on the C8R race cars. So this beauty here is a 3LT Z51, which was standard on all the C8R Special Editions. This one has the optional body color exterior vent and access package. So you can see these normally would be carbon flash, but they are body color. And we'll see more of that as we go around the car. Now, you see this front splitter here, so you think it's aftermarket. Believe it or not, this one was actually the factory 5VM. At the time when these came out, when they first debuted these, they were expected that all these would have it, but they ended up making it optional because they were on heavy constraint. But this is actually the OEM 5VM carbon fiber aero kit. Now, the wheels themselves are not the factory. When these came from factory, they came with the black Trident wheels, but one of the previous owners had changed these to, the brand is called the ALT. And these are actually, I've looked them up, they're actually a pretty high-end wheel, and this is their version of it. As you can see, it's a very unique spoke design in black, but it does have the OEM center cap that comes standard with the C8R. And of course, the yellow calipers also standard with the C8R. And it's got a very meaty set of the Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. This is OEM, this is the carbon flash mudguards, and it is on the front and rear. And then of course we have our beautiful 5VM full carbon fiber side skirt. More of the body color exterior accenting that you see here. You see this is not carbon flash, it's in that body color. However, you notice that this top has the carbon flash. Well, I must note, believe it or not, this is actually a factory body color convertible. But the previous owner, or one of the previous owners, had done a custom carbon flash wrap job around the decals and through the spoke to make it look like the OEM carbon flash. If you didn't know to look closely, you would think it was factory. That's how close it is. Whoever did this wrap job, they did an excellent job. It really does look OEM factory. All right, making our way to the rear, you can see the high wing spoiler was standard on all the C8Rs and of course in carbon flash like you see here. And the dual stripe package does go through the top as it comes down, and it does end here. We, of course, got also the Jake logo and the number 4. The Hypersonic Gray cars were number 4, and the Accelerate Yellow cars were number 3. But you may notice the exhausts. Those are definitely not factory. These are Borla carbon fiber tip multi-mode exhaust. And what do you say we give it a listen? How about that? And again, this is a multi-mode capable Borla, so you got aggressive, the 4 stealth to track level aggressive settings, desirable based on the mode selection. Of course, it's convertible, so we have our unimpeded trunk space here, and we have the cargo net in place, and the previous owner left a tire inflator kit in here. We're gonna go ahead and leave that in there, so whoever wants it, you got it. All right, coming to the interior. So this beauty, of course, is a 3LT, so we got the Napa leather, and it's a 3-tone interior, so we got our yellow stitching here, which is called the strike yellow, and we got our sky cool gray and jet black. So we got strike yellow, sky cool gray, jet black is the 3-tone interior of the C8R standard. It has the visible carbon fiber interior package as well. Another option that was a premium for these cars. We have a beautiful aftermarket Paragon carbon fiber steering wheel, replacing the stock suede or leather wrapped one with the beautiful carbon fiber paddle shifters there. We also have the front lift. So this is loaded out. It has the front lift feature. And of course, you can see we've got the microfiber suede mode selector cover, the beautiful nap leather yellow stitching. And then there in the middle, you will see the C8.R plate. These are not VIN numbered. They are numbered by the plate. You can see this is number 348 of the 1,000 produced. And then of course, the beautiful GT2 seat with the black, sky cool gray, and striped yellow with the yellow seat belt. Gonna open the frunk with the remote here. You go one and then hold on the second. Pop it up. Then of course we got our frunk storage here. They left a nice set of yellow colored tow hooks. So this one's for the front, this one's for the rear. And again, they mount fairly easy. There's little covers. Like right here, this just pops off. You can take it off and then you screw it, mount it there, and there's another one in the back. And again, these mount directly in the frame. They're not just for racing. Some people like them for looks, or God forbid, if you're in a situation where you have to move the car, this connects to the frame, so you don't have to risk damaging the vehicle while moving it. So these are nice to have, whether for looks or actual racing. And of course, when you close this, you get the 2 clicks. All right, I'm gonna take time to show the window sticker on this one so you can see the loadout. It was a very hard loaded, high dollar car for 2022. As you can see, it had a 105, 180 sticker. It has the mag ride and the front lift, the carbon fiber interior, and of course the C8.R GTLM Special Edition there. It's 2-owner clean, and we got 27,351 on the mileage, and we got it priced at $79,995. So again, rare car, commemorating Corvette Racing Team, one of only 1,000. 3LT Z51 mag ride front lift. It's got the visible carbon fiber 5VM aero kit as factory. It's got ALT wheels. Absolutely gorgeous vehicle. If you're interested in this or any other Corvettes in my inventory, please see our info up in the corner and down in the description below. Leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of the C8.R Special Edition. They're getting harder and harder to find as the years go on. Please leave a thumbs up, like, subscribe, and I will see you on the next video.